Mark Claiborne here from clientdisputemanagersoftware.com. Yes, right. I'm the founder of Client Dispute Manager. Hey, listen, if you're looking to move your current customers from your current software over to the Client Dispute Manager, it is very easy. Use B2B Virtual Assistants to handle all of that work for you, okay? All you have to do is prepare your CSV file. When you export your customers from your current platform, just make sure you export it to a CSV file. Then when you come to the Client Dispute Manager, B2B Virtual Assistants or yourself can prepare your CSV. And then you can import customers by the hundreds within minutes into the Client Dispute Manager. Now, B2B Virtual Assistants can handle all of this for you without an issue. And don't worry about security, because each one of them have signed NDAs to make sure your information is secured. So why don't you come on over to the Client Dispute Manager, use B2B Virtual Assistants to help your transition very smooth. Bring them over, bring your customers over, import them into the Client Dispute Manager within minutes. We've done big credit repair companies, small credit repair companies. We've done credit repair companies that have thousands of people and they've imported their customers very quickly. But let outsourcers like B2B Virtual Assistants do all of the work for you because they have the experience to do it for you. Again, I cannot wait to see you join our superstar family, and take care.